In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam corrupt disk error in just 5 minutes. This common error can be really frustrating for gamers, but don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple process to get you back to playing your favourite games in no time. First, we'll want to open the Task Manager. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard all at the same time. Alternatively, you can right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. Once the Task Manager window appears, take a moment to look for the Steam app in the list of processes. It might be at the top, but if not, just scroll down until you find it. Once you've located Steam, go ahead and click on it, then click on End Task at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. This action ensures that Steam is completely closed before we proceed with the remaining steps. Sometimes simply closing the Steam window might not terminate all processes, so this step ensures that we start fresh. The next step is to find the Steam application on your computer. To do this, right click on the Steam app icon either from your desktop or taskbar shortcut and choose Open File Location. This will direct you to the folder where Steam is installed. Once you are inside the folder, right click on the Steam executable file, which should be called Steam or steam.dos.exe. In the context menu, select Properties. A Properties window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to the Compatibility tab and you'll see an option that says Run this program as an administrator. Check this box. Running Steam as an administrator can resolve permission issues that might be causing the corrupt disk error. After checking the box, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now that we've set Steam to run as an administrator, let's log back into Steam using your usual credentials. Once logged in, click on Steam in the top left corner of the window and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the settings menu, look on the left and click on Downloads. Here you'll find the option to clear download cache. Click this and when prompted, confirm that you want to proceed. Clearing the download cache can resolve various download related issues, including any underlying problems contributing to the corrupt disk error. To wrap things up, restart Steam. All the changes we've made should now take effect and hopefully any errors you were experiencing before will be resolved. Thanks for watching and good luck with your games.